I'm not gonna preach to you,
Okay, my house is flooding.
but I want you to
Anybody out
watch
there?
this. Take a look
I
at
have
that
my dad
man.
on hospice, and I need to get him out of here. He's bedridden.
Now look
He
at his
can't walk,
circumstances.
He can hardly move, and look where the water is. So somebody
This
please
nightmare
call
is happening
911.
in Texas.
It's bad over here.
And so far, over
front of the house, it's like a
50
river.
people have died.
I mean, it's like a lake. They can't come look. We've lost our cars.
Help
everything.
is not
We've
arriving.
been here for 30 years, and this has never happened.
Sadly, she'll have to make the ultimate choice
And
to
so
leave her
anybody,
father
please, if
there
you have
to
a boat or
perish
something, I need help. I need to get
so
my
that she
dad
could
out of
save
here.
her
It's
children.
starting to smell like sewer in here.
It's Sunday. Some of you are praying. But I want you to think about what bothers you most and what bothers these individuals now.